So here's something that I did that really helped me with money and to view money as in a really different way. So say this was like the School of Angela, and your homework of this week would be to have pizza once every day for 7 days. But it has to be different pizza. As in, it cannot be the same exact pizza that you have. So even with your logical, linear, contextual way of thinking, can you not come up right away with 3 different ways that you can have different pizza? Like, when I do it, I'm like, okay, well, I can go to Olivo's for lunch. I could get a pizza from Sainsbury's. I could get maybe ciabatta and some, jarred tomato sauce and make my own pizza. Do you know what I mean? It's not like I'm asking you to do something that is beyond your capability. Do you get what I'm saying? You actually have an idea that it's something that you could actually do. Don't you? I mean, it seems kind of easy, doesn't it? And it seems kind of like a fun challenge, doesn't it?
There's always one, isn't there?
There is.
Sorry, it has to be.
Yeah, but even if you can't eat it, if I was just to say to get pizza or to have pizza, I mean just to have pizza. I'm not saying you have to eat it, but just to have pizza.
Okay.
To bring pizza into your house, into your environment, into your life, you could do it.
Yeah.
And you could think of different ways of having it come in. And it's really easy, isn't it? And it kind of feels a bit fun. It's like a little tiny fun challenge. It's not too difficult of a challenge. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so what if you could just now replace pizza with money?
You mean having your finger in different pies? Different sauces?
Yeah. I mean, just having different ways of allowing the money to come into your life, as opposed to having to just be one set way. And also, money is kind of like, ooh, it's money. Do you know what I mean? It's just, for me, it was kind of like a heavy subject. It was not something that was, fun or an adventure. It was,
I got an immediate blockage when you swap the pizza for money. Pizza, easy. I can go to Pizza Hut, I can go to Pizza Express, I can make my own Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Lidl's, hundreds of different pizzas. But as soon as you're like, well, what if all that was money, I'm thinking, but there is no money in those places.
Okay, so everything that is, will you destroy and create at all times a Godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, all 9 puck, shorts, boys, and beyonds. So everywhere you've made money a scarcity and the lack of money a reality, will you destroy and uncreate at all times a Godzillion?
Yeah, I will, yeah.
Right and wrong, good and bad, all 9 puck, shorts, boys, and beyond. So everywhere you've made money a scarcity and something that is not part of your reality.
You know me so well.
Will you destroy and uncreate at all times a Godzillion?
Yes, I will.
Right and wrong, good and bad, all 9 puck, shorts, boys, and beyonds. So what would it take for money to be a fun thing that could flow in from all different directions and all different avenues? Why does it have to be something that is not tangible for you, that is just invisible to you? So everywhere that you've made money not tangible and totally invisible to you, will you destroy and uncreate all of that?
Yeah, I will.
Right and wrong, good and bad, all 9 puck, shorts, boys, and beyonds. So what if instead of living a life where everything is linear and contextual, what if we are living in a spherical reality where we've done everything and we've been everything and we can do it and we are going to do everything and we are going to be everything, yet we are also living now? Just perceive the energy of that. So for now, let's just bring in the confidence and the money thing right now into this as well. So let's say that you've been living for 4 trillion years. You've had 4 trillion years of experience. And you have an infinite amount of years of experience to come that you can also tap into right now. So you've been everything, you've done everything, you're going to be everything, and you're going to do everything. And you have all of that circulating around you and in you, and you are it right now. So just latch on to one thing that could be possible. Latch on to one lifetime that could be a possibility. Because if you've been everything and you've done everything, then obviously, Seth, you would have been someone who was way super confident and had loads of money, loads of power.
Power, I don't want. Money, I haven't got for money.
Okay, well,
Just work on the confidence.
okay, well, let's pot and pock everything that you have to do with power, because when I'm talking about power, for me it's a bit different than other people, but it's the ability to know who you are. It's the ability to know your greatness and to know your potential, but it's also coming from a place of gentleness, kindness, gratitude, nurture. For me, it's not real power for someone to have, dogmatic control over thousands of people or something, where they're functioning from a place of unconsciousness. When I talk about power, I'm talking about someone who is aware and conscious, like seriously conscious, and actively being a contribution to the planet. So when I'm saying power, that's what I'm talking about. And I'm talking about someone who is actively functioning from a place of gentleness, kindness, caring, peace, calm, gratitude, nurture, gentleness. For me, those are all really generative and powerful qualities. Someone controlling someone with a machine gun or something, an AK-47 or whatever, that to me, that's not power. It's not. Real power is coming from a place of complete awareness and having gratitude and kindness and nurturing, gentleness, peace, space, total awareness. For me, that's power. So if you can tap into a lifetime where you had so much money you couldn't spend it, can you perceive the energy of that? Can you perceive the energy of having that? And then all you have to do is breathe that and be that. And you can also tap into that confidence, that potency, that greatness at the same time. You can tap into a lifetime where you had that confidence, that potency, that intensity, that greatness. And so much money that you can't even spend it all. It's impossible. It's an impossibility.